Take a ride in the 2017 Kia Soul. The Soul is quick and ready with its innovative, catchy style, a sharp, roomy, and well-fitted cabin, and a comprehensive list of safety and fun features. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, keyless entry, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, cruise control, climate control, AM/FM stereo radio, front-wheel drive, rear defrost, bucket seats, fog lamps, power door locks. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.